everybody, and welcome back to Walking the Blunt Blade. I am Oliver. That's puppy shopping day. Let's see how this goes. He's young. He's in the back minding his own business at the moment. Yeah. Time to go food shopping for puppy. So here we are. Parked. After a moment of whining, he usually calms down. This is his third shopping expedition. Let's see how he goes. Hello. Hello, my friend. Home sweet home. And I think mission accomplished. We got some stuff back there. He did very well. I have a tendency to not carry a camera or phone when I'm doing the dog training, and given he's so young, there's a lot of training to go. So, very good puppy. Let's go see what he's doing. Hello? Hello, my puppy. What you doing? Come inside. Good boy. Home sweet home. Good boy.